Hello dear student. So in this lecture, we are focusing for the concept buffer action and buffer capacity, buffer action and buffer capacity. Okay. So the mechanism by means of which buffer solution try to maintain its pH constant is called buffer action. की जे कुठले बफर सोल्युशन असेल त्याची पीएच कुठली असो तो कुठल्या मेकॅनिझमने त्याची पीएच कॉन्स्टंट ठेवण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो त्या मेकॅनिझमला काय म्हणतो आपण बफर ऍक्शन म्हणतो. ओके, सो व्हॉट हॅपन्स इफ वी ऍड H plus ions, that buffer react with that H plus ion. If we add OH minus ions, that buffer react with the OH minus ion and convert these ions to the weak electrolytes. Okay, convert these ions to the weak electrolytes so that its a pH will remains constant. pH will remain constant. So what is acidic buffer? You know that it's a weak acid. It's a salt with the strong base. It's a salt with strong base. See, added H plus ion will react with the anion of acid to form undissociated acid molecule. Added H plus ion will react with the anion of the acid to form undissociated molecule. What happens here? H plus ions react with the A minus to give HA. If you add OH minus ions to the acidic buffer, then HA react with the OH minus ion to form again A minus ions and water molecule. How interesting. Okay, so buffer capacity of or buffer action of basic buffer. So it is a how it is made up of? It is made up of weak base. It's a salt with what? Strong acid. It's a salt with strong acid, right? See what happened. Added acid, that is added H plus ion react with the BOH to form B plus and water molecule. Okay, or if you add OH minus ion or base to that solution or to this buffer, that OH minus ion then react with the B plus to form BOH. Okay, these are the electrolytes which are forming after the reaction. Right? Now, buffer capacity. Buffer capacity is a measure of ability of a buffer or buffer solution to maintain its pH. So it is defined as a milli-equivalent of a strong base or required strong base required to change the pH of buffer solution by 1 unit. Right? Milli-equivalent of a strong base required to change the pH of a buffer solution by 1 unit. Greater the buffer capacity of solution, okay, so greater will be its ability to resist change in its pH. When buffer capacity is said to be maximum, when pH or pOH of a buffer solution is in between. pH or pOH of a buffer solution is in between. For acidic buffer, that pH should be in between pKa plus minus 1. Basic buffer, the pOH should be plus minus pKb plus minus 1. Okay, pH ची जी व्हॅल्यू पाहिजे ती pOH ची व्हॅल्यू पाहिजे ती एवढी पाहिजे तर मॅक्सिमम त्याची बेसिक बफरची कॅपॅसिटी असेल आणि ऍसिडिक बफरची कॅपॅसिटी मॅक्सिमम असण्यासाठी दिस शुड बी द रिक्वायर्ड कंडिशन. ओके, so this is all about this concept. Okay, so from the next lecture we are going to start the molecular spectroscopy, second topic from the unit. After this topic there is a solid state chemistry. Okay, so we'll continue this in the next lecture. So thank you.